Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous metallic peacock tea light holder, and can you see this how gorgeous it is looking. It's made completely using paper quilling strips and some clay, and it's not looking like a handmade thing. It's completely looking like a metal ready-made peacock stand, and this is super duper easy to make. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. First I'm starting with making one random ring. So for this I'm taking 10 mm orange color strip. You can use any color strip because anyways we are going to color it later. So here I'm just randomly making one ring, securing the front end using glue, and then just start wrapping remaining strip around this, and in total I am going to add 14 strips to make the big ring. And the ring is ready. Secure the end, pull it tightly and then secure it. So the outer diameter is 5 centimeters and the inner diameter of the ring is 3.5 centimeters. Then here we need to make 3 more rings. So I'm starting with the bigger one. Here I'm taking one bottle which is having 3 centimeter diameter, and I'm going to wrap total 7 strips of orange color 5 mm around this to make one big ring. Again, you can use any color here. You can also utilize your waste strips in this project. So I have already prepared 3 sizes, so these 2 are done. For the middle one we need 7 strips to make this ring, and for this I have used 2.5 centimeter diameter bottle. So we need 2 these pieces, and for the smaller 2 I have used 6 strips and 1.5 centimeter diameter bottle. So all the rings are ready. Now I am just shaping each ring using quilling mold and making a dome shape, adding glue inside each dome and connecting with each other. So all 3 pairs are done. Now I'm taking back my first ring which we have created, and on top of this I'm adding the biggest dome. Then I will add medium dome, and then at the end I am adding smallest dome. and this is done. Allow it to dry. Then I am taking 20 strips of 5 mm and making one big tight coil. Like this, just securing the end. Then again taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Add glue inside the dome and spread it nicely using brush. In the same way, I have already prepared one more dome of the same size. Now I'm just joining both the domes together. Taking back my base, and on top of this I am adding this biggest dome. Allow it to dry completely. Then here I have this paper clay by Sakura. Just taking little clay and rolling it on the surface. And using this beautiful rope mold, I am filling the center part using clay. Then slowly I am taking out the design from the mold like this, and can you see how beautiful the rope design is looking? So I have already added 2 ropes in the bottom domes. Now I am adding the last rope in the smallest dome. And this is done. It dries quickly in 1 or 2 hours. Now taking one more mold and using this right side small design, I am filling it again using paper clay. Taking out the design slowly from the mold, and I have already prepared some more designs already. So taking back the base, and on top of the largest dome I am going to stick these designs one by one. So first I am spreading some glue, and then I will start adding these designs in a circular manner. Similarly, complete the remaining part. Now here I have prepared 2 more domes using 5 strips for each using 5 mm, and the diameter I have used for this dome is 2.5 centimeters. So I am just joining both the domes again. Then taking back the base, and I am sticking this dome on top of the base like this. Then here I have prepared this dome using 8 strips of 5 mm. I have already added glue inside that dome, and I am sticking it on the topmost part. So this is the final dome for the base of the tea light holder. and now it's nice, big and large. Now this tight coil is made using 3 strips of 5 mm. I am making one cone using this, and to make the cone I am using my pencil, just shaping it nicely. Here I am making the neck for the peacock. Now I will just add glue inside this cone, and here I have prepared this domes which are made using 16 strips of 5 mm. I had just pinched on both the sides to make the leaf kind of dome, added 2 domes each other, and now slantly I am going to add this on top of our base. This will be the body of the peacock. So adding the bunch of the glue here, big lump, and then going to stick the body in little slant position like this. Here I have attached the face which are made using 3 strips. I have created 2 domes and connected with each other to make the face, and I have attached this with the neck. So it's time to connect the neck with the body like this. Hold it for few minutes and it's done. Now I will show you how to make the feathers for the peacock. So just take little bit of quantity on your palm of the same paper clay, roll it like this, like a teardrop shape, put it on the surface, flatten it, pinch on the top to make a pointed end, and then using this teardrop shape which is made using simple quilling strip, I have created one ring and then pinch on one point to make the teardrop ring. Then using this teardrop I have just created the pattern on my clay drop shape like this. In the same way I will show you one more time. And this is done. Now taking back my peacock base, and I am going to add these feathers on back side of the body. In the same way, just add some more feathers till the desired point. And after covering it with the feathers, it is looking like beautiful peacock design. And also I have decorated the front part of this using some more rope designs of clay, and attached the beak of the peacock which is made using 1/4 strip of 3 mm. This is simple cone shape. And now I am decorating some parts using half pearls and some stones just to add some more design. And now completely everything is dried and it's time to color everything using black chalk paint. Here I am using chalk paint, but you can also use acrylic colors. And the coloring is done. It's looking very nice showpiece, looking like a ready-made thing. And now it's time to highlight everything using gold color. So I am using gold acrylic color. You can also use waxes for this purpose. And taking little bit of color on my brush. This is called dry brushing technique. Your brush should be dried nicely and take little quantity of color and just apply it with the light hands on the work, so it will highlight everything which is raised. And this is done. I have already prepared one base for our tea light. I have just created one ring of the 10 mm strips, added the base using cardboard and then decorated with some clay rope. First I have colored with black, then highlighted with the same gold paint. So I am sticking it with the Peacock stand, and for the sticking I am using B6000 glue because we are going to add battery operated tea light on top of this, and it should stick nicely with the Peacock stand. So stick it like this and hold it for a few minutes. And this is nicely attached. It's looking absolutely amazing. I'm just loving the outcome very much. The final design is looking very nice. Now I'm taking this battery operated tea light and putting it inside this stand. So you can create one more of the similar kind and you can decorate on left and right sides of the puja place, and it will look very gorgeous. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.